how to add Roman page numbers in Google Docs. So if you want to add Roman page numbers in your Google Docs, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Google Docs. After opening, you need to go with your document. And once you're here on your document, you need to double click on the top, which will open up your header and footer. Now you just need to simply go with insert, which will be in the top left. And then you need to go with symbols and go with special characters. From here, you need to go with the drop down, go and select number. And here you need to go and select other. Now select the first Roman number. After that, go back. Once done like this, and now you need to go with insert again, go with break, and then I'll just simply go with a section break. Once done, you need to go with double click again and remove the link to previous. And you need to click on the section and then go with insert again, go with symbols, special characters, and now scroll down and you'll find the second Roman number. Click on it. And that's it. In this way, you'll be able to add Roman page numbers in your Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.